Hello? Am I live? Alright, guys. I mean, it's been a
Okay.
minute,
Let me really quickly write this down
right?
in
Oh
Canva really
crap, hold
quick
up.
so I can get you guys. We're gonna do a
Let me mute
velocity
this
and
kid real quick.
acceleration problem.
This guy's like the rip-off version of me, I feel like, so like yeah, man. I'm better, so look,
between two boundaries.
we
Let's say
all
between
know
x is equal to
that
a, and so f
the the AP exam for calc, right? Both AB and BC is coming up. And if you're someone like me, I'm also a student. I'm about to take the exam right now for Calc AB. I'm in 11th grade, and this class has been frying me, right? I'm just the average student. I'm not perfect. I don't know every single thing, right? I only know like 80% of the material, right? And unit 7 and 8 and related rates. I think that was unit 4 or 5. Those ones are the hardest ones for me personally, and even though they are hard, you have to, I feel like you have to break through that wall. You have to just find a switch in your brain and you have to just go past that barrier, right? Because it's hard. Once you get past it, I think it's easier for a lot of students, especially someone like me. But getting through that point is the hardest part in anything, right? Even in the SAT too, right? That's just the hardest part. But Introduction to Integral Calculus. I think you guys already know what this is talking about, right? Let's let's watch the video.
the curve and
So
above the x-axis. And let's say between two boundaries. Let's say between x is equal to a and x is equal to b. So let me draw these boundaries right over here. That's our left boundary. And we
so you
want to
have
think
the two
about
boundaries,
this area right over
right?
here.
So the it's talking about the area under the curve. The curve is right here, and you want to find the specific area over here from the x-axis, right?
Well, you could divide third. This is the fourth.
And it's talking about how someone might be able to find that area without using calculus. So it's using these rectangles, right? You have to like approximation, right? There's a lot of approximation. You can just, simple rectangles and you'll get a pretty decent
This is the
estimation,
fifth. And then we have the sixth right over here.
right?
And so each of these, this is delta x, let's just call that delta
Oh, I
x1,
think
this is
that's a
delta x2, this
trapezoidal
width
in
right over
itself,
here, this is delta x3.
right?
And so what we could do is, let's try to sum up the area of the rectangle.
Oh, it's a
But
rectangle,
that's
never
one
mind.
solution. We're going to go into a lot more depth into it in future videos. X sub I, or maybe x sub I.
So, as you can see, the gaps over here, those are, since it's a rectangle, it's not perfect. It's an under approximation because it's a left Riemann sum, right? Yeah.
Is the right boundary, the way I've drawn it, times delta xi. That's each of these
And if someone's
rectangles.
watching
And then
this,
we
I'm
can
sorry,
sum them
I
up.
can't. If any of you guys are watching this in the chat, I'm sorry, I can't read your chat. Just
And that
come
would
along
give
with
us
me because
and
I
then by
have the exam tomorrow too.
having more of these rectangles,
So it's just rectangles, right?
gets thinner and thinner and thinner, and we have an n gets larger and larger and larger. As delta x gets
And
as we
that's the summation formula,
could say
right?
as n approaches infinity. This is the core idea of
That's like
integral calculus.
that's like the formula.
And it's called integral calculus because the this but you can already see the
Yeah, so I don't I actually you don't even need to remember this because this is just like it's like the more expanded version of this. So you don't have to like remember this, right? Because they're both the same thing. So just why not just go through the simpler version right here. Find the two x coordinates, B and A, put x1 put like x1 in the A in the bottom and put the x2, which is the higher x value, b up there, and you put the function f of x dx and
parallels
find
here.
the integral
But instead of taking the sum of
because it's a uh definite integral, right? Because it has the bounds a and b. Indefinite, however, is where things get a little tricky. But for right now, let's focus on definite integrals.
more powerful is it's connected to the notion of a derivative, which is one of these beautiful things in mathematics. As we will see in the fundamental theorem of differential calculus, we looked at the problem of, hey, if I have some function
So I think you
of
guys
the
understand the point. We don't have to see. Let's go on, move on to Khan Academy. Because look, thing is, I already know units 1 and 2. 1 and 2 should be like that. It should be on your brain, right? Crap. Okay, my bad. Let's look at the problem. Freight train leaves the station on a 4.5-hour trip, as you can see on the x-axis. The graph below shows the train's velocity as a function of time. How far does the train travel? I'm assuming you have to find basically this stuff. So, uh, just count up the rectangles. And this is 5, 10, 40 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 40 times 6 is a 260. No, 240. And then these rectangles right here are the trickiest part. So let's say like this is half of that. So 1 is 40, but half of it is 20. So put 60 and then half of that, half of right here, 1 hour, which is 40 also, but so like 280. Come on, man. Come on now, let's see a step. Bro, did I not do it correctly? You have to like what count up the squares. So from 0 to 1 hour, you travel. Oh, let's just from 0.5 to 3.5, you get 40. So that's 3. 3 times 40 is 120. 120, and then this is not even like oh, and then it's 130, and then it's 1. No, and then it's oh, it's 150. Yeah, because okay, guys, you guys know what I did, right? Some mental math right here. I forgot the intervals on the x-axis were like 1/2s, and I'll show you guys a step-by-step solution, right? It's just oh, you have to count up the thingy and trapezoids. It's like oh, I don't know what this section of a square is. Like you don't have to do that, right? Just take the whole section of this, right? Since that's easier, you already know that's 20, right? Because it's 0.5 and 40. That's 20, and then half of that is 10. So that's 10. This section is 10, and then over here, it's 3.5 to 4.5 is a full 1. But since it's like a trapezoid, you have to take the entire rectangle. And after that, you get 40. But since it's only half, you only get 1, you get the half, right? You divide by 2. which is 20, and then this just here is just 120. So 120 plus 10 plus 20, you get 150. This right here, it's literally the same style. Oh, this time they actually give you nice numbers. Okay, so let's do the same thing. Let's make our rectangle first, divide it into 3 different parts. So I see from 1.5 to 8.5, which is a length of 8. And then up there is 60. So I'm assuming 8 times 60 is, what was that again? 480? 480? That's just this part of the rectangle. But now you need to let's do this trapezoid first. From 0 to 1.5, and up there is 60. So 1.5 times 60 is 90, but only half of it is 45. 45, 480 plus 45, right? Yeah. Anyways, now let's look at this trapezoid. So from 8.5 to 10 is a 1.5. 1.5 times 60. What am I doing? Oh, it's 90. My bad. So you have to add another 45, which is 70. It's 570. Watch. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, what? What did I do wrong? What the actual heck did I do wrong? Huh? Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Guys, I might be a little washed. I used to do this all day, in and out. In and out, you know? Just let me go to my channel. Bro, who's nitrogen? Yo, who's nitrogen freezer, bro? Who is this kid? Huh? I forgot who nitrogen freezer is, bro. Let me promote my, because apparently this kid is saying no one's watching it, bro. Uh, yeah. Let me. Yeah. All right. I think that's good enough advertising. Get the word going. So, just let me check Gemini. Check Gemini real quick. Accumulation rate of change. So, yeah, 510. Did I do the math wrong? I understand how you do the problem, right? I just got the math wrong. Okay. So it's actually 510. What? Same thing? Another one, bro? What is this, bro? A snowstorm lasts 24 hours. The graph below shows the rate of snowfall as a function of time. Uh, okay, so literally the same thing. Let's actually lock in, bro. Enough of this. So this 4 half. That equals 2, and then half of 2 is 1. So there goes that triangle. 1 plus this rectangle over here. 4 to 8 is 2. And then 2. No, 4, 8 is 4, my bad. 4 half is 2. Are you sure I'm doing this right? Are you sure I'm doing this shit? Okay, guys. I think, well, you get the idea, right? I already know how to do it. So I'm just gonna go to Gemini, put that shit in Gemini, and yeah, let's see how it is. And also, I want to say Happy Mother's Day because today is, in fact, Mother's Day. I totally forgot. Make sure to go to your moms if you have one, of course, and say, just wish them a Happy Mother's Day. Because, look, Doc, Mother's Day, you gotta be thankful, man. Because if she's alive, bro, that means like she giving you a sacrifice, bro. No joke, bro. 16. There we go. How many fa Oh, what the? Oh, okay. How many fans attended the swim meet? Yo, I'm not trying to do this, bro. You have to, come on, man. Are you serious right now? You actually serious? Dude, what is this, bro? It's not even a, it's just a, it's just this. Come on. What even is that? Let me see who's on the chat. Who is this, bro? We believe in you, Sam? Bro, alright, let's go. Last minute studying, bro. Alright, I don't know what this is, bro. What is that? Huh? What even is that? Bro, let me put that shit in chat GPT, dog, or Gemini. Let me put that in Gemini again, bro. It's just it's raps at this point, dog. It's actually raps. Oh, crap. So, 1,400 fans? Let me read. Okay, let me see. It's the trapezoid. T equals 0 to t equals 1. That is true. It's from 0. Oh, I meant part 1. Section 1 is 0 to 1. Yeah. I see that. And uh parallel side height, the rate starts at 400 fans an hour and increases to 800 fans an hour. Width base is 1 hour, so area is 1/2. Dog, what? What is this, bro? 1/2 base times height, bro? Oh, that's just the average. Oh, that's just taking the average. My bad. It's just like x1 minus x2 over. Okay, I see. And then area 1, I mean, area section 2 is actually just 800, right? So it's just 1400. 1400, dog. All right, bro. How many fans you have? I got only fans. Step-by-step solution. Okay, this is the area formula. All right, let's talk it. 1/2, 400. Where'd you get the 400 from? From here, okay. 800 divided by, how'd you know you divided by 2? That's just how you do it? Oh, because you have to take, okay. You have to take the average. All right, dog. 2 out of 4, that's kind of bad, but it's not that bad. Riemann approximation introduction. Oh, wow. I ain't trying to do that. I I'm not trying to do all that, bro. Riemann sum is basically you have a bunch of rectangles to approximate it. But the more rectangles you use, the better of an approximation. You can use trapezoidal Riemann sums. What is it? What kind of Riemann sum is, well, it's going to the left. Left and right to make a razor. Anyone even in the chat? When does he read? Oh, foil, is that Aiden fam? Yo, I'm reading the chat right now, but guys, I'm gonna be honest. If I read the chat, that means I'm not focusing, dog. Like, right? You know what I'm saying? So you guys can watch it, but I'm not gonna answer to the chat, bro. Like, what's more important? The AP exam next tomorrow? The exam, which is in approximately 12 hours from now, or reading the chat? Obviously, if I read the chat, I'm gonna get distracted, so you know what I'm saying? I'll only read chat if I'm like playing a game or something, but this is math, bro. Has to be an educational video. Riemann, yeah. Subdivision, uniform, non. Oh, so it's a uniform because they're the same length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 uniform subdivision. Come on, man. Like that. Riemann sum problems with graphs. So it looks like this. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Hold up. From what? Using a right Riemann sum with 3 equal subdivisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like 6, 7? Like a oh, even the Google shakes it for you, bro. Like him, bro. Come on, man. But 7 divided by 3, 3 equals subdivision. Some is 2.3. So every 2.333 from x, you have to like create a line. So I'm gonna use my aura. I think it's B. No, bro. Now I have no aura, bro. All right. Well, if it's not B, it has to be C. All right. There you go. You know what I mean? You have to use 3 equal subdivisions, right? Every 2.333x value. All right. Hold up, y'all. I need to grind my game. So like, this is just like a 1 minute break. Hopefully, I don't get killed. There's a lot of people in the server, so I need to go. Oh, it didn't just update. Is that why they kicked everyone out? Yeah, it just updated. I see. What the heck? What is this? Quit Roblox. What is up there? Hop off the bro, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Like I had to like AFKing, bro. I have to like grind the game, bro. I have to do both at the same time, dog. I don't know who y'all are, bro. Like especially you're the Dark Knight, whoever that is. Like just shut your ass up, bro. You think you're slick? You're not. Approximate the. You might need a calculator. All right, there we go. 0 to 8. So right Riemann sum. So this is 3, 4. Yo, look, I forgot how to do this stuff. I look here forgot. Let me let me use a little Gemini. All right. Also, if any of you guys want to be in a call on Discord, just let me know. If you want to join the stream, if you want to join the live stream, make sure to just join me in the Discord call, cause you know what I'm saying. It's all good. All right, so let's see what this even is. Oh, I think that's wrong. That's actually wrong, bro. It's not 66. Oh, it is 66. How do you, bro? How do you even do this, bro? What? You can find the area of each rectangle by multiplying its width by the value of f of x at the right endpoint. Then we sum all of the areas. The fuck? At the right endpoint? 3 minus 0. Oh, from 3 to 0. And then 5 to 2. Oh, wait, what? Yo, what? There you go, what? 3 to 2 times 3? 4 minus 3 times f of 4. Oh! Oh my goodness, I actually remember now. So you do 3 minus 0 is 3 times 2. 4 minus 3, you have to this. It's like a little triangle. It's like that. So 3 minus 0 is 3. Then times 2 is 6. 4, 3, 5, 12. No, 1 and a 5. So 5. And then 8, 4, 32 times 7. 4 times 7, I meant, is 28. And 8, f of 8 is 11. 8 minus 4 times f of 8, 11. Oh, so is it, wait, so it's the opposite, right? 3 minus 0 times f of 3, 3 minus 0 times f of 3, 5 times 5. Oh, it's like that. Because you don't, what happens to this though? What happens to the 2 and f of x 2? What happens to that? You don't do anything, right? You just leave it like that? You're telling me you just leave this alone? So it's actually like that, right? Chat? Can the chat respond? Can the chat respond or something? So it's like instead of like that, it's like this. Who is Dark Side, bro? Dog. Bro, I'm not failing, bro. I'm getting at least a 3. No, I'm getting a max 3. So I'm getting at least a 3, but the maximum I'll get is a 3. It's like, let me search it up. What percent of the test do you need to get right in order to get a 3 on the AP Calc AB exam? So raw. So you need a 40 to 50. No, this is not right. Oh, that wait, never mind. This does sound like right. 40 to 50% of the total questions. Son, 40 to 50% to get a 3. Oh, bro, on the final, bro, raw on the final, I got like 36, I believe, which is a 2. But I've gotten slightly better. So, like, technically speaking, if I took it right now, I would have gotten better score. So I think I could get a 3. Bro, guys, I feel like, bro, if maybe like the score calculator, if multiple choice, it's like probably like free responses. I don't know about that. Probably like, let's get to probably like decrease that. It depends on the free response. I think one of them I'm just gonna bomb it. So let's do that. And then one of them I'll do like pretty decent, right? But then here, I think I can get like multiple choice. I think I can get like that, right? Bro, come on. I can get a 3, bro. Good chat. Yo, chat. Come on, chat. You think I can get at least a 3? Chat. If you think, bro, if you think I can't get a 3, dog, something's wrong with you, bro. I mean, like, a 3 ain't even that bad, for real. Like, you can still get credit. Like, look, a 3, it is so doable. Like, dude, multiple choice, I'm like good at. So I think I can get at least half of it, if not a little bit more than half raw. So, and then like I do a little bit of this and that, and then I bomb one of the free responses, and then I do like good on this other one. Dude, bro, come on, man. Are you serious? I can get a 3. Dude. Sorry. Dude, I think I can get at least a 3. If I don't, okay, let's make a bet. You guys want to make a bet? If I fail the exam, which is a 1 or a 2, bro, if I get a 2, it's raps, bro. It's actually raps. Like, if I get a 2, I have to like, what are some good suggestions, chat? What should I do if I get a 2? Okay, if I get a 2, I have to say the N word live on stream. But if I get a 3, I don't have to do anything, okay? That's the there right now. So if I get a 2, chat, I'm about to get, I'm about to have to say the N word like I show speed on live stream, bro. All right. What the fuck is this shit right here? I'm sorry for my language, bro. Like, what even is this, bro? I've not seen this in a minute, bro. I've not seen this in a minute. What? An integral? Say drawing? Can I go to drawings? Crap. Let me go to a whiteboard. Let's go, chat. Um, I am actually locked in, bro. How do I make this smaller? You can't. Okay, so I think the basic idea is like you do this 2 to 5 of h of x. That's like the basic. That's the idea here, right? But then h of x, h of x equals 1 over 7 minus x. That's the dude. Is that not what it's asking? Is that not what basically it is? That's literally what it's asking, right? One over 7 minus x. Oh no, I got it. Hold up. ln 5/2. Dude, I don't. What is that? ln 5/2. Like 0.91, something like that. So it's like that's the one. Is that bro? Am I tripping, bro? Is that not how you do it? Is that not how you do it? Oh, what? Oh, I got this. Oh, I got it completely wrong. 0.7833. 47/6. Oh, I was so off. Bro, yo, every time I read, look, okay, so every time I read the chat, y'all are flaming me, bro. I can like imagine it. I ain't reading that, bro. Y'all are like, I'm not locked in, saying shit like that, or like I'm about to fail the exam, bro. Like I'm not. That's just like, bro. That brings a person down. I feel like, bro, that just doesn't help at all. You sometimes you have to set your standards and expectations low so that you can actually achieve it. You know what I'm saying? So put my expectations and standards as a 3, so I can actually achieve a 3. If I say a 5, bro, that's raps. Like it ain't happening, bro. But like at the end of the day, a 3 is still good, bro. All like y'all are flaming like, bro, a 3's not that good. Like it's still good. Talking about something it's not good. Like you still get credit. I mean, it depends on the college you go to, but still, you still get credit, dog. Let's read it. That's okay. Determine, okay. Determine the width of the lane goal. So 5 minus 2 over 3 over 3 equals subdivision equals 1. So you need, what the, oh, 1. Okay, those are rectangles. Bro, I feel like I got it wrong because I didn't use the left Riemann sum. I used the actual integral. Alright, now let's use the right Riemann sum. Approximate the area. Can I like go back? Three equal, bro. It's raps, dog. It's actually raps. It's raps. 6, 7. Skip. How do I skip? I'm skipping that. Use a right Riemann sum. Three plus four. No, how did it go again? Oh, what? Wait, how did it go again? 3 minus 4? No, 4 minus 3 times 6 is 1. No, it is 6 plus 6 minus 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Is that not how you do it? Is that not how you do it, chat? Is that alright, whatever. 4 and then look. 3, 12. Eight, bro. How? Oh, I actually did one? Wow. Guys, please, bro. There's life, bro. I actually have a chance. I actually have a chance, but this is actually hard, so we have to go to the big leagues. Over and on. Yeah, I already know this. Yeah, in a left in what? Where's the use of? Oh, oh yes. Oh yes. This is the big leagues right here. Okay. Yes. Oh yes. Let's watch a freaking video.
Let's say we've got some function f that is continuous over the interval between c and d. And the reason why I'm using c and d instead of a and b is so I can use a and b for later. And let's say we set up some function capital F of x, which is defined as the area under the curve between c and some value x, where x is in this interval where f is continuous,
Right.
under the curve. So it's the area under the curve between c and x.
Right.
So if this is x continuous over this, what is all
Oh, oh yeah.
of this business, all of this business right over here. And from that, it looks like this. From that, subtract the antiderivative.
All right. All right. This is the big leagues right here. Let's see. Let's see, dog. Let's see if I can actually know it or don't. Where's the eraser? So, wait, what? How do you do it again? So it's 2 to negative 3. H of x is equal to h prime of x. Oh, so find the derivative of h of x, 10x, 10x. dy over d of 10x equals 10 to the x times 10. Oh, yeah, forgot about that. Okay, and then you got that, so so 10 x times. Well, okay, guys, it's okay to fail, but it's not okay to not try. Guys, failure is a bro. Failure, bro. Like it happens in life, bro. You're not gonna always pass a test, bro. Like failure is just a part of life, bro. I admit it. I learned that since the very beginning, man. I was always failing the tests, bro. But that's just a part of life. You live, learn, laugh, and then you just forget about it. So And then you actually become even better once you fail, right? Because like failure is the key to success. 10x times 10, and then it's the top minus bottom. Am I right? Crap. What's the top? Oh, 2. 10 squared times ln 10. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, my bad. Times ln 10 minus 10 to the negative 3 times ln negative 3. No. Ne no, it's 10. My bad. Okay, now, how am I? Chat, is this right? Is that not how you do it? 10 squared minus ln 10. Hey, I actually have my TI-84 fully charged in my backpack, so yeah, it's gonna be all right. Oh, my bad. $230.236. Yo, let me check the chat. Who are these random? Who are these people, bro? Yo, what? Yo, what? Is this not it? Is this literally not it, dog? Wait, did I not look? Is this not it? Huh? Yo, Aiden fam, bro, if you're watching this, what did I do, bro? FTC. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. What am I doing? It's the classic FTC rule, bro. Oh my God. I did all that. It's not even right. I overthought it. It's actually much simpler than you think. H of B minus H of A. Oh my God. H of B is what? Right? Because B is actually in the 2. 10x, so 10. 100 minus 10 to the negative 3. 100. 10 squared minus 10 to the... Alright. Alright, chat. 99.999. So that's just 100. Oh, dude. Just say it's 100, dog. You have to just put 99.999. What? Yo, what, bro? Like, you do not round it up, bro. It's like close enough. Oh, the classic. All right. Let's see. So, ah, is this the same shit? FTC part 1? Is it the, is it this shit, bro? F of 9 minus F of 2? What? Is it not that? All right, let's just try it out first. Um, 9 plus 7, but you square root that equals 4. And then, oh, that's bad. 2 plus 7 equals 3. So 4 minus 3. Oh, it's 1. Oh, it's just like that? All right. Oh, I'm not even the hard part yet. I have to do U sub, bro. Wait, actually, let's do. You know what? I think this will be better. FRQs for 2025. Last last year's AP Calc free response questions. Oh, okay. So this this is the stuff. Okay. This is the stuff right here. All right. We're gonna change it up a little bit. So, an invasive species of plant appears in a fruit grown at time 0 and begins to spread. Find the average number of acres affected by the invasive species from 0 to 4. Average number. Average. That's just the only formula I know. So it's from 0 to 4. Okay. Over 38 over 25 plus. So wait, C prime. Something like that. Okay, so 4, right? Is it not? Is that not how it is? 38 over 24 plus 4 squared is come on, 16. 38 over 41. Wait, that can't be right. You know what, guys? Let's let's do the classic. Let's do that. Only give me A. Oh crap. So hard. It was. Oh, so this was totally not it then. Average value. Oh my god. Oh my god. Average value formula. Oh my goodness. I totally forgot. Dude, I totally forgot, bro. The average value formula versus. Oh no. I just did the slope, bro. What was I trying to achieve, bro? I did like, huh? So it's from T, so 1 to 4, and then, oh my God. And it's calculator allowed, so just put that in the calculator, dog. 1.425. Yo, oh my goodness. 1.425. 1 over B minus A. The B is 4, and the A is 0. 1 over 4 times the integral. Yo. Oh, okay, that was pathetic. That was bad. Uh, Let me do B. Find the time t when the instantaneous rate of change of C equals the average rate of change of C over the time interval 0 less than or equal to t less than show this out. Do your calculation. Okay, guys, I'm good. I'm just gonna set it up. I'm not gonna actually calculate it because I don't have a calculator with me. Oh, when the instantaneous rate of change. I feel like I know it. How do you do it again? Huh? Average. Oh, you have to find the average rate of change first, which is the f of b minus f of a. So C4 Yo. Yo, wait, what am I? Oh, like that. Right, you find that first equals set it equal, wait, what? Oh, since you have to like find when, oh, C prime of t is like the instantaneous rate of change. But that's the average rate of change, so you have to like set it equal to the instantaneous rate of change, which is 38 over 25 plus t squared. And then you solve for t. And then you solve for t. And then oh, it's like that. Oh, it actually makes sense, right? Or something like that. And then okay, guys, since I don't have a calculator, I'm not gonna actually solve it. But on the day tomorrow, I will. And I will get a 3. If I don't, I'm fried. I'm actually fried, dog. Actually fried like a, I don't know. Like if you're Korean, you'll know what I mean. Like a seki. Alright, my bad. Assume that the invasive species continue to spread according to the given model for all times t is greater than 0. Write, write a limit expression that describes the end period of the rate of change in the number of acres affected by species. Limit as x approaches infinity. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? I'm just writing BS, bro. Oh wait, I wasn't even that, dude. Oh wait, I wasn't even far off. It's like that, and then it's 0 because the denominator is 0. C prime of oh, if the denominator so you get you get that, and then D. Yo, D looks hard, bro. D is not it. I'm gonna skip D. All right, number 2. How many points would I get if that was a real test? Like 3, since I got 3 questions right. Okay. Yo, that looks insane, bro. Oh man, I can't wait to see all the TikToks or like that go like how FRQ number 2 had me feeling like on the AP Calc AB exam or something like that. You know those TikToks like those kids crying about the exam when they after they took it. I can't wait to see all that on after the test. Use your calculator, find the area of R. Oh shit. Is this unit 8? Dude, you have to find the area of this, dog. That's not. Wait, that's not even that bad. So you already have 3, 3. Dude, oh my goodness, Unit 8. Oh shit, my bad. AP Calc. It was. What? It's not something like. It was something like this. Was it not something like this? Yeah. I'm about to crash out. I'm about to crash out, bro. You know what I'm doing, bro? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that, bro. I'm sorry, chat. Sorry I have to do this. G of x minus f of x. Why is it? Find the area. Oh, that's just. Oh, the top function is g of x, right? And then, so basically from 0 to 3. And then you substitute 3. And then you like, oh my god. Yo! This is frying me, dog. And I'm also a little sick. Does chat say? You know what I'm doing? You see all these live streams? I'm about to like promote mine. So I get more viewers.
Don't make
Oh god. I think that's enough. Enough raps. Gotta wrap it up for today. Yeah, it's wrapped. So let me just end the stream here real quick, And hope you guys